Mastering the Art of Pottery Trimming. A step-by-step guide. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of pottery and specifically focus on the process of pottery trimming. Whether you're a pottery enthusiast or simply curious about this art form, you're in the right place to learn about this crucial step in pottery making. Pottery trimming refers to the process of refining a pottery piece by removing excess clay to achieve a desired shape or thickness. This is usually done when the clay is leather hard, meaning it is partially dried and firm enough to hold its shape but still soft enough to be carved or trimmed. Pottery trimming is not just about aesthetics, it's a critical step for several reasons. 1. Weight reduction. Trimming helps to lighten the piece, making it more functional and easier to handle. 2. Balancing. It ensures the piece is balanced and stable, which is particularly important for items like cups or vases. 3. Surface smoothing. Trimming helps in removing unwanted marks and smoothing the surface, preparing it for further steps like glazing or painting. Before you start trimming, you'll need the right tools. The most commonly used tool is the trimming tool, a sharp instrument used to carve and shape the clay. It's essential to learn how to hold and angle the tool correctly to trim effectively without damaging the piece. Here are some techniques to keep in mind. Steady your hands. Keep a firm grip on the pottery wheel and your trimming tool. Work gradually. Remove small amounts of clay at a time to avoid taking off too much. Consistent pressure. Apply even pressure while trimming to ensure a smooth surface. Trimming pottery requires patience and practice. Here are some common mistakes to avoid. Trimming too early. Wait until the clay is leather hard to prevent collapsing or distorting the piece. Over-trimming. Removing too much clay can weaken the structure of your pottery. Uneven trimming. Inconsistent pressure or haste can lead to an uneven surface or make the piece unbalanced. Congratulations on taking the first step towards mastering pottery trimming. Remember, like any art form, pottery requires patience, practice, and a keen eye for detail. We hope this video has been insightful and encourages you to explore the beautiful art of pottery making. Happy trimming, and see you in the next video.